Storm Pepeng is brewing now at the northeast of the Philippines, and due to that I'm preparing to evacuate, put my things up on the second story of my house. As you can see, the server's already gone and the first 4 computers are gone. The last 4 I will try to mend them all if there is a flooding in our area, which is just 1 block behind our house. Now it's a ghost town. As you can see, we've cleared 1 ref. This ref will be
sige,
up.
Aksayin mo yung battery mo. Sige na, kakain na.
There's 1 ready. Our gasol is also ready for pickup. Mang Jaime is doing the wrapping of our mini pool. Hindi kita. Hindi yan butas. Ang alam ko, matagal lang. Lalo yung pangalawa. Hindi kita eh. Teka. So, yan. We keep it pumping. Yan ang mini pool. Gagawin namin wrap. And my guns. Security, mamayang gabi. Pag may looters.
Hoy, kakain na!
Wala na yung TV. Motor ko, matitira na lang. Here is our second story. Dilim. Okay. Yan ang washing machine. Kakumantay, yung YouTube ko to ha. My TV.
YouTube ko niya, kuya.
Some clothing on the second floor. See? Some basic clothes. The food. Microwave food again. And my computers. Fax machine. All of it. Some of my fire extinguishers. And I hope that's it. I hope we're ready for Pepeng and the other storm that's been brewing around the Pacific. We still have the salvavida, small salvavida for the kids. You can see the mini pool that's there. It's just too dark. Yeah, that's the mini pool. And by midnight, I hope it's inflated.